Hey guys, and what's up, and welcome back to another week of Bakkerud Live. This episode I will start at Informativ, one of my partners making a new wrap for my go-kart and maybe my car and my trailer as well. So Eirik here, he's making a draft for my go-kart. He's taking basically out the delivery from last year's Audi and putting it on a go-kart. Do you use Photoshop or
Adobe Illustrator?
Ah, you've done it a couple of times before. It looks sick. Alright, so now Eirik have printed all the wrap I'm gonna have on my go-kart. I think it looks pretty cool. We went out from the design and delivery from the Audi from last year. It's gonna be sick to see how it looks on a go-kart. Come on, come on! By the way, here's the lovely employees at Informativ. Only 2 of them now. And I also brought my go-kart to the shop. I'm gonna start with the left side and see if I can make it good. I took off all the Tony kart delivery, so you can see the lines that I can follow. Alright, then me and Eirik has been wrapping the go-kart. I think it looks pretty sick. Okay, maybe with the green chassis, maybe it doesn't fit, but I think we did the best out of it. And tomorrow we do the trailer, and then it's race time. Alright! I'm actually sitting in my car just outside Informativ, and I just want to tell you guys, I'm extremely lucky as an athlete that has this cool companies that I work with, such as Informativ. I have a bunch of others that are always there for me. It's cool actually during this period of Corona times that I can be able to be home and work with them. I really appreciate that. I appreciate everyone that is working with me in Bakkerud Life, in the company Andreas Bakkerud and all the partners we have in Bakkerud Blue. It's really cool. We are working on the side of everything with a new clothes collection. Is there anything you guys would like us to make of merch? Like t-shirt, hats, hoodies, scarf, mask, face mask, etc. Please comment below. Today it's time to wrap the trailer. Alright, so I'm inside Informativ, and Julia and Sabina has been wrapping my trailer. I was supposed to help them earlier today, but I got stuck in some meetings. But here is the trailer. One of the sides is ready, or actually 2 of the sides is ready. So this is my Bakkerud Blue partners with delivery of the Audi. And that's the boss himself, Sten Ove. How are you doing? You good?
Oh, I'm good. I'm fine.
You look so stressed today.
No, it's just busy like everything.
Yeah. Informativ finally wrapped my trailer. It's done deal. It looks amazing. I'm very happy with the job. I'm extremely lucky to have been working with such a company for many years already. Here you can see some of the pictures we have made together from every year we have been racing.
Jeg har den sinnssyke kjølebagen. Jeg skal begynne å filme deg I de episoden.
Alright, so we're started a journey on our way to Andebu. I picked up Andreas, which is turning away now when we're here in Børingfossen. A very, very beautiful place. You can never see that on the camera, but it's, I don't know how many 100 meters it's down there, but it's pretty far. We have driven like 2 hours from Bergen. How do you feel, Andreas? You happy? All good? No? Andreas, what are you doing right now? Are you filming with the drone for your first time ever? Alright, here we go again. Slower, you mean?
Yes.
Yes?
Much slower.
What happened? What happened?
We crushed it.
Is it broken?
No, it's perfect.
Yeah? Oh, that's the camera.
Perfect condition.
Shit. Are you coming with dinner? Nice. How do you? Is this the gift you give me after you crashed my drone?
Yes.
Yes.
This is a sorry gift.
Grazie, grazie. A very disappointing evening here from the Lamborghini. Andrea here, he didn't wanna join my cozy little bed in here, so we're checking in on hotel. We have been driving for like 6.5 hours. We have training tomorrow from 12 to 6, but I have to change my piston in my car and or my go-kart, and also braid my brakes. So that's the situation update. We'll be back tomorrow for more action. Boom.
Og så peker det.
I have now arrived into the Lamborghini. The Lamborghini is still working perfectly. We drove this car from Bergen all the way to Andebu, which is like 8 hours, and yeah, nice and cozy. I'm gonna enjoy a night here before the race tomorrow. Today's practice went really well on speed wise, but on strength, on the other hand, I have a big issues. I can maybe do 6-7 laps full speed, but after that I'm like destroyed. And for tomorrow's heats it's gonna be 12 laps in 2 of the heats, and then 15 laps for the final. I don't know, I've been practicing go-kart for a while and I'm training like almost every day, and even though I'm just, I don't know what it is, but I'm destroyed when I drive karts, especially shifter karts. The other karts I can do, but shifter with a Vortex engine, which is a bit harder to gear with, it's destroying me. I don't know why, but yeah, I'll have to do my best tomorrow, so I'll head to bed. It's close to midnight now. I'll call it a night. See you guys tomorrow. And one more thing, to film, drive go-kart and work on the go-kart, it's so freaking hard. So I'm sorry for the poor filming, and tomorrow we are not allowed to use head cam, so I'm gonna try to get some help filming the races, so stay tuned. It's a morning here in Andebu, and look who showed up. My father. He drove all the way from Bergen to Andebu to get here, and now we're gonna experience a good old day where he is taking care of the full go-kart. I'm giving you the responsibility. Here's my buddy Andreas. He's sleeping in here. Good morning. What did you say in English, please?
Go away.
Morning, Grumpy. What do you think, Taya? You happy?
No.
No, me neither. Warm up is done, and we have some job to do. First of all, my ribs are hurting. I can't get away in the start, and I think there's at least 3 guys driving insanely fast out there. Yesterday we was P1, but today, over one night of sleep, somebody have done huge upgrades to their gear. So just need to have a think and look around and punch back in the qualification, which is in like 1.5 hours.
What's the plan?
The plan is that you arrived and you know more about go-karts than I do. So now I'm just gonna listen. Yesterday I was so grumpy anyway, so I didn't listen when you said anything. So main thing is to get away in the start, I guess. How is it going, Andreas? Alright, a quick update. Andrea is P1. Adrian, you P2? 3. P3. Me, on the other hand, have had a rather unsuccessful day. First, P16?
Yeah.
No, there is only 14 on the grid. But yeah, I broke it. I stopped in Q1, and I think I was 7th or something in Q2. With the fastest lap time though, so I need to give myself some cred. It's very hard out there to do many laps, and we are struggling to get away in the start. So every time now I've done 19 starts here at Andebu, and I've stalled 18. So now we're trying a completely different carburetor setup. So hopefully we can get away in the start. The energy is still good. Get so tired after 12 laps, but I know in the final there's 15. We just need to push more. And what do you feel, Adrian?
Okay, I'm struggling a bit to pass the guys out there. It's really...
It's so hard to overtake.
Yeah, it's not like a really wide tracks. It's a bit narrow, so we'll see.
I would say that the track isn't so narrow, but you have to drive narrow.
Yeah, that's right. So we'll see in the final. I'm hoping for P1, of course, but we'll see how it goes.
But it is good times though. I enjoy being back in a race. I enjoy seeing the old man up here working on my go-kart while I'm chilling and hanging out. So it's just like the old times.
Bakkerud live!
As you guys probably understood, I ended up on the podium, which was a great result. In the final itself, I once again bugged in the starts. I was dead last from P14 up to 3rd. Super happy with that. I couldn't wish for anything more. Once again, I had the fastest lap time in the final, so the pace is there. We just need to put everything together to be good in karting as well. So overall, very tired. 15 laps, almost died.
Engine gang.
He broke the engine in the lead. Big thanks to BNV Kart Service and Northvid for all you guys' help. It was great working with my dad again on the kart, always fun. Yeah, comment below. What do you think of our new go-kart livery? And also, have you ever done a go-kart race, a real one? Comment below. Until next time, flat out.
Show me how to get along. So tell me what you're thinking now.